Yeah. Third day of patrol, and we've just come in, not even a minute. Look at that. Freshly set snare. Okay, I'm just gonna have to show you what's going on here. We've only been in for like less than 2 minutes already, so we're gonna have that snare. Nangine hapa? Nini?
Nyoka kubwa sana hivi.
Yeah, snake died here. Okay, let's just take you to the other side. Have a look. Okay, you saw they dug a hole in the ground and then set that snare, and then they tied it with like a natural reed and put that stick there and tied the stick with reeds to the second snare in less than 2 minutes of us being in this forest. Okay, I'm gonna have a look around on the other side again. Just walking through the forest and we see these buffalo legs hanging. It smells like death, I swear. You see this one's rotten, we didn't even eat it. I'll come back to it. What's the ribs? See like 2 legs there. 3, one on the ground. I skinned it here. See the tail. And most of the bone. Oh my god. I need to throw up. This is another section of the forest. It is 12:35. What the hell is that? Nini?
Hii ni mtego ya
Oh
kiboko.
my god.
Unaona? Sasa hii barabara niko nakuja na anachimba hapa. Alafu kiboko kikiingia huko ndani basi.
It's a hippo trap. Alafu hizo wamechonga hapo juu. Hizo.
Wanapanga hizi. Vile sasa unaona. Wanapanga alafu na mchanga kidogo. Kiboko tu kigusa kanyaga hapa, mguu mwingine hapo mbele. Kiboko inaingia ndani. Unaona ni njia ya kiboko hii. Hii kiboko ameacha sababu ya heshima.
It's ridiculous. Okay, so it's midday and I thought I'd finished our patrol for the morning through the bush, but he says that there's something I might want to have a look at, so we're just going back into the forest. Oh my god. Oh my god. She's just died. Amefungwa mtego?
Amekatakata mguu hapa.
Sorry, I didn't realize it was so. Oh my god. This is like the mother and calf we saw, and the mother couldn't walk and I knew she wasn't gonna make it. They'd cut her, just slashed. You know, they just find them and slash them. And the injuries get so bad that they rot. I think hyenas came in the night. This is not very well.
Hapa pia inaenda.